Right, still at the Birdwood Museum, we're going to look at some eccentric examples of people movers, closely resembling motorcycles. So the Autoped motor scooter there, the 1950 Auto Speed auto wheel set on the side there driving it. Then we've got engine in hub, rear hub, the BSA wing wheel, Healing auto cycle, and a Honda P50 here, which is, sorry, we're looking at General Motors Melody e-bike. The Honda here, P50. It's a Healing auto cycle there. The BSA wing wheel there. The Ducati here. We'll move around the front to the 1930s, and this is a 1949 Scott Psycho Auto. So it's in pretty good condition. Melbourne Star Auto Bike, spelt B-Y-K-E. You see the motor there hanging out the front to cool it. The Zundap Combinette, or combined push bike and motorbike. Very much the bike at the 1990s. And we'll finish off with NSU quickly, auto cycle, classed by many as a motorcycle. So there's some interesting concepts leading to motorbikes. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and give us a thumbs up.